Come. Babe, what's going on now, eh? What's going on now?
Why are you dragging me? What is it? What happened?
You say, look at it for yourself. How many months have we been dating now? Eh? We've been dating for over 5 months. 5 good months. And the only thing we do is nothing else. Eh? We don't go body, babe, now. Eh? I'm your boyfriend. Am I not the love of your life?
You are.
I'm the love of your life. Don't boss me now.
I understand. I'm a daughter of a pastor. I'm not supposed to be doing all that.
Babe, leave that thing now. But you say you love me. Eh? Don't you love me?
I love you.
Eh? These are the things that boyfriend and girlfriend do now. Eh? And if I say come to my house now, you will not want to come. Hmm? And I cannot come to your house too.
Babe, you know I can't come to your house because even if I come, your friends are always crowded and they are all males. I'm never comfortable. And you know that I'm a very shy type. And you also cannot come to my own house. You know my dad is a pastor. He won't even let you in. You should understand. If truly you love me, you should understand.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. And since you are saying that you cannot come to my house because my house is crowded, and I cannot come to your house because that is a pastor. The thing is, let's just, let's go out.
How? How do we do that?
See, I won't come to your house. You won't come to my house. You see that hotel down there? Let's just lodge there.
Hotel? I'm a daughter of a pastor. What will people say seeing me walking into an hotel?
Babe, it's not like we are going to do anything bad, though.
So what are we going to do then?
You just come and see me. We'll spend time alone as boyfriend and girlfriend. We'll get to, So,
Babe, I shouldn't be doing that. People shouldn't see me walking into a hotel.
nobody will nothing even concern anybody. You are bringing people into our relationship. Nothing concern anybody.
Are you sure?
Yes, now. At least people know that you are dating. You come and see your boyfriend in the hotel. We won't waste time, oh. Babe.
You promise you're not going to waste time?
No, I won't not waste your time, oh.
So when?
5 o'clock. Today.
Today? It's not going to work.
Why?
I have choir practice to attend today.
I'm not stopping your choir practice, babe. I'm not stopping your choir practice. All you need to do is just come. Then from there you can go to the choir practice. Chicken, huh?
Are you sure?
Yes, I will not waste your time.
You said you're not going to waste my time.
At all.
Okay, I'll come.
You come.
You're happy now.
Thank you. I'll be expecting you, okay? 5 o'clock, eh?
You promise you won't waste time,
No.
right?
No.
Okay, babe, I need to start going now, okay?
No, wala. I'll be waiting for you in the hotel.
Okay, babe.
Take care. I'm coming. Baby. I'm fine. How are you?
Okay.
Yeah. Hi.
My friend.
Your friend. Hi.
Hi.
I thought you were coming alone.
Yes, but there's nothing wrong with me coming with my friend, Tolu. Tolu, please sit down. Sit down.
But you told me you'll be coming alone now. Who is this one?
She's my friend. I told you about the church program, right? I invited her, so I went to her house to pick her up. So we'll go to my house and change while we both go for the church program. Is there anything wrong with her coming? But babe, you said you just wanted to talk to me, so why all these questions?
Fine. Let her wait outside now.
Why? It doesn't make sense now. It doesn't sound nice. How would I tell my friend to go outside?
I will not waste your time. Just 5 minutes. Let her just wait for us outside. We'll just do what we want to do.
She's not even looking at us. She's on her earpiece, as you can see. So what is it? Talk to me now. Talk to me. What is it?
Better wait inside the bedroom.
Babe, I don't have time. I need to go home and change where I go for church work. And you know who my dad is in the church.
I don't have time.
So, can you just talk? Let's go. You're wasting time already. Talk.
I know now.
What's wrong with you? I don't get. What's this?
I'm fine. Let her just wait inside the toilet. Or let her just wait outside.
No.
5 minutes. You're done.
No. My friend can't wait in the toilet or outside. We are just talking, Abby. You said we were going to talk. Let's
do some
talk
kind
now.
things.
Do some kind things.
Let her just wait. See, let her wait. Once she wait outside, you will see what we want to do. Just wait outside.
I still don't understand you.
You can't understand until she go outside.
She can't go outside, and if you don't talk, I'll go home because I have church program to attend. Can you just talk?
Whoa! I'm tired, Daniel. I'm tired.
Why are you shouting? What's wrong?
Why will I not shout? I want to knock. Over 6 months now that we've been dating. Nothing that only kiss. I want to knock.
Blood of Jesus, you want to knock? Knock who? Do you know me? Do you know the daughter of who I am? You can't knock me. My body is a temple of God, not for this.
Forget about what this is.
Forget about what? God forbid. Over my dead body to fear. I can't do such with you. Why? Why should I? Babe, let's go.
Don't go now.